In number 12, we are asked to write the domain and range of the function using interval notation. Domain is all possible x values. Range is all possible y values. On the graph, we know the vertical axis is your y-axis, the horizontal is your x-axis. So, just to start with range, since that's the vertical axis, we are talking about how high and low the graph goes. We can see here that this graph does not go below -5. It doesn't go to -6, -7, -8, infinity. The graph never goes under. On the way up, we can see that this graph never gets higher than 4. There's nothing up here. So this range is from -5 to 4. At -5, it was a closed-in circle, so we are going to use the bracket. That means it includes -5. On the way up at 4, there's not an open circle, so that means it also includes the 4. It actually touches the 4, just like all of these dots on our function. They don't need to color them in real dark and big, but they are points on the function. Since it includes the 4, we use a bracket. For the domain, that is our horizontal axis. So how far left and right does the function go? You can see this function stops at 2. It never goes to 3, 4, 5, or infinity. Going the other way, this function officially stops at -3, because at -3, the y-coordinate is -5. It does, if you put your pencil, go past the -2 mark. So our domain is from -3 to 2. At 2, you can see there's an open circle, so there's a parenthesis because it does not include the 2. At -3, that y-coordinate is -5. It's a closed circle, so that means it includes the -3. That is interval notation.